Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to reset the admin password in ZKBio software. So open the software. So now I am input the previous admin username and password. So as you can see, I can't log in into the software. So now I have to reset this software username and password. So first of all, we have to download the SQLite portable application. Search the SQLite portable application. SQLite browser download. Here you can see first option. Here is the file DB browser for SQLite portable app. Just download it, and it may take a few moments of to complete. Download not complete yet. So it may take a few moments to complete. So download is finished. So now install the application. Okay, next, and check mark. Now I want to see my computer operating system, which bit is run. So next install. So finish. So next open the zkbiotime.net database file. Database file name is timenet. So this file is located on your C drive. C drive zkbiotime, sorry, program files, and at the program file 86, and the in last zkbiotime.net, then time.net. Okay, so here you can see database is opened now. So choose the browse data, then select the table name is sysdata, sorry, sysuser, then username, remove the existing username and password, and then enter a new username and a new password, and apply the changes, and apply the changes. Open the software. Oh, sorry, we forget it to close the database. Close the database, save, and minimize. Now open the software. Now you log in using your new username and password, and finally log in successfully. Here is your device option. So thank you for watching.